Tiny perfect things. Today we keep our eyes open for tiny perfect things. Like here on the ground, a yellow leaf that the wind blew down. A spider web that's caught the light. A snail that climbed the fence last night. See all the crows up in this tree? I watch them, and they watch me. Here's a red bottle cap, and a man with a beautiful feather in his hat, and a flower growing through a sidewalk crack. Look! Our shadows are holding hands. They walk when we walk, and they stand when we stand. I see a cat on the steps and someone we know. Let's wave hello. Here's an apple way up high, red against the blue, blue sky. And now I see the pale bright moon. It's getting cold. Let's go home soon. Around the corner, up the stairs, the light is on. Who's waiting there? We found so many things today. A leaf, a snail, a cat, some crows. The world is full of wonders, no matter where we go. Can we go again tomorrow? I wonder what we'll see. When the world is full of perfect things, when you come look with me. How many tiny perfect things can you find?